Hello, this is Renee from 20 Social, and this is Facebook group paid membership tip number 21. And today we're going to talk about retention. So, how do I increase retention in my membership? And this is something that I'd recommend you implement from the beginning. So, if your membership you've had for a while, it might not work, but if you're just getting started or about to launch, I think this would be perfect for you. So, what do I do? How do I increase retention for my membership? Well, one way to do that is to increase the cost of your membership in phases. And let me tell you how that would work. Let's just say that, and once the whole thing's going and you've had some success, the ultimate price you want to charge for this is $29 a month, let's just say, to pick a number. It may be different for you, but let's just say that for the example. Well, why not start the membership at $14.99? And allow people to join at $14.99 for some time, especially your warm market people. Maybe the group has been free, or the Facebook group that you're not converting into a paid membership was free for a while, and you want to give those people a chance to join at a really low cost as an appreciation for them being with you so far. So maybe that's who you give a chance to join, or your warm market, or the people that just a small phase. Maybe it's the first 100 people. You could also do that. And then maybe after $14.99, you say, hey, on this date, I'm going to raise the price. Don't tell them how much necessarily, but I'm going to raise the price. And so that's going to give you not only retention, but a few more conversions right off the bat. And then maybe you raise it to $19.95. And you run with that for a little bit. And then $24.95 and so forth till you get to the price that you want to charge. So that's what's going to do a couple things. Number one is get you some sales or some members right away because they have fear of missing out. They know you're going to raise the price, so they want to sign up as quickly as possible to get advantage of that low cost early bird price. And also, some of them who may be on the fence who say, hey, you know what, I like his training. I use it sometimes. I don't know if maybe I'll stop now and I'll rejoin in a couple months because I'm going to take a break or whatever. Well, if they join now, if they stop now, and they join in a couple months, maybe they started at $14.95, but now your price is $29.95. So if they stop and they have to rejoin, they know you've raised the price, they're going to have to rejoin at close to $30 a month. They're probably going to say, you know what, that's fine. I'll pay for those 2 months I'm not going to use anyway, just so that I can stick to that low cost because I know I'm going to stick around for a long time. So that's where this really helps you for retention in the long term. But also the bonuses, it could be a good plan for getting conversions early on. So hope that helps. And again, just think about it, see if it makes sense for you. And I'll see you on the next tip.